Hey guys, it's Christy Ching. So today I'm going to teach you how to use a free Gmail email account as an alias for your domain-based web email that is hosted through HostGator. So basically, if you have a domain that is hosted through HostGator, you can set up your email and you should be able to create an alias to be able to send and receive email from your free Gmail account. And the cool thing about this is you can access it on your phone using Gmail and whatnot, and no one will ever know that you're actually emailing them from your Gmail account. So you're going to log into your Gmail account that you want to use, click the gear icon on the upper right corner, and then scroll down to settings. Now you're going to click accounts and import, add a POP3 mail account that you own. Enter the email address and then click next step. Also enter your username. Your username is going to be whatever your entire email address that you set up from your domain. That's what your username is going to be, and your password also is going to be the one that you set up when you created your email account. I leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server. Always use a secure connection and label the incoming messages as my domain email address so that I know when I receive the email that email came from my website or from someone emailing me from my business email address. Okay, we're going to change the port to 995 because that's what it should be whenever you use SSL, and then you click add an account. Your mail account has been added. So now you want to click yes, I want to be able to send mail as info@mydomain.com. So I'm going to click next step. Enter information about your other email address. And I'm going to click this box right here that says treat as an alias. Make sure that you click that box. If you don't click that box, it's not going to work. Click next step. Now it's going to tell me that it needs to configure my email to be sent through mydomain.com SMTP servers. So the HostGator SMTP server is gator3322.hostgator.com. gator3322.hostgator.com. The username again is in your entire email address. And your password is again going to be the same password that you used when you set up your email, your domain-based email address, okay? So keep that in mind. If you have a different password for your domain email than your Gmail account, the password you're going to use is not the password for Gmail, it's the password for your domain email account, okay? And then I'm going to click secured connection using SSL, and the port is going to be changed to 465 because that is what they recommend, and then click add account. Now it's saying that it's going to send me a custom verification code. So I need to go and log into my cPanel, HostGator cPanel, and then I will be able to retrieve that email and enter the code. Okay, I'm now logged into my HostGator cPanel. I'm going to scroll down and click on email accounts. Once again, I'm going to scroll down until I find the email account that I'm working with, and then I click the more button and access webmail. That's going to pop open another page. And here you'll see you have three choices of three different, I guess, software or whatever that you can use to read your webmail. I'm just going to click round cube because it's right there in the middle. And here you see the latest email that I got from Gmail requesting, giving me my confirmation code. So you're going to highlight and copy confirmation code, and then you're going to go back to your Gmail account and enter that. No, I'm sorry. You're not going to go back to your Gmail account. What you're going to do is your pop-up from Gmail is actually hidden behind your web browser. So go over here and enter the code there and click verify. And now you're going to go back to Gmail. And as you can see, I actually have my domain set up to send mail as my Gmail account or as my domain account, and it obviously shows that my POP3 server is connected to my domain. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my inbox, and I receive an email from my domain saying I requested to add the domain to my Gmail account. Before you can send mail from the domain account using your Gmail account, click the link below to confirm your request. So I'm going to click this link, and the Gmail user may now send mail as myinfo@mydomain.com. So it's all set up and ready to go. And the way you can tell is, as soon as it's done loading, open your Gmail and click compose. My internet is really slow today. And right here you'll see a drop-down menu where earlier there was no drop-down menu. And if you click the drop-down menu, you'll see that I can send email as my Gmail account or as my domain-based email client. Okay? So I hope this helps you. I hope you found value in it. And if you did, please drop me a comment down below in the comment section. Also, I use HostGator because I've always had excellent service from them. I've even been on chat for 4 hours with them when I had problems troubleshooting one time, and they actually helped me with everything. So I highly recommend HostGator. I can't recommend them highly enough. Also, I buy my domains from Namecheap because Namecheap is cheap. It's much cheaper than Godaddy. And Godaddy now has a thing where if you buy a domain from them, you can't forward your hosting to another site for like 90 days. Whereas with Namecheap, I can buy it today and I can send it, change the DNS servers, and I'll be hosted with HostGator literally within minutes. So I highly recommend them both. I'll put links for both of them down below. And yeah, if you have any comments, I'd love to hear from you. I hope this helped you and I hope you found value in it. Aloha.